Hey, hi everyone. Thank you for coming to the show, right? Today is really important. Today is non-farm payroll day, right? So before we start the sessions and look at the news, right? The news has not released yet. As we say, this is a non-financial advice. What we are doing right here, right now, will be just a reflection of Lucas' personal opinion, no reflection of any financial advice to you. So if you decided to trade on any case, on whatever own, please consult your own financial advice. Thank you very much. So we will start the session now. Let's go. Okay, now let us look at the calendar at this moment. It's 1 minute and 10 seconds before three very important news to be released. One, average hourly earnings. Second, non-farm payroll change. Third, unemployment rate. Okay, what Lucas will be very interested to look at is when these three data is going to one direction, just one major direction. If everything is positive beyond the expectation, then we will see the strength of US dollar. If everything is negative, then the US dollar will continue to drop. Now, before we continue to analyze this, I like to be transparent and declare I have three trades in going on US dollar strength. Okay, why I'm going into US dollar strength? Because yesterday there was a good understanding that the ATP non-farm payroll change has increased drastically. Okay, there will be a slight chance. Okay, that this will continue. But because my trade is so small, it's not going to affect any of my management or trade. So I'm going to leave the trades as it is and look at the results. Okay, now let us understand. Right now, there's 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds. Okay, the number has released. It's good. I'm in profit right now. Okay, let us see what is the numbers. Okay, we have a blown out number for non-farm payroll. That's 339. Blown out number. That means the chances of US dollar strength is very good. Unemployment rate, we actually went up, is negative, which means unemployment rate is actually increased, right? So this is kind of difference. And average hourly rate is the same. Okay, so now you see the number is going haywire here, there, everywhere. So that's normal because we want to see total alignment. We're not seeing the alignment yet. So now the market was starting to find its own direction. Not sure. Okay, not sure. Right, let's see what happens. Okay, so the hourly rate, same. Non-farm payroll, private actually went up a lot. Participation rate is the same. All right. Unemployment rate actually went up. More people got unemployed, right? Non-farm payroll number is blown up across the board. And then there's a revised outwards of the last month non-farm payroll at the number. This is 23253. You look at the numbers here, is up another 40K, which means the employment number is still very sticky, which means a lot of people, which means the economy of US is, the employment is still very high. At a very high employment understanding, it's very difficult for the inflation to go down. So that's why there is understanding that Fed is going to continue its rate hike in the next meeting, right? So let us look at the numbers again. Okay, so there's very strong momentum. Let's see whether it continues. Usually in trading the news, I'll look at M5. Okay, US yen looks interesting. US yen looks very interesting. Gold actually also dropping. Okay, you see gold is having very strong momentum going downwards. I see the momentum is going downwards. I'm going to buy US yen. Okay, I'm going to buy US yen. And the stop loss, I'm going to go. I'm going to go about 48 pips here. One three eight seven three. Okay. 13873. Let's see whether this level will hold. If this level cannot hold, I might even just cut the loss. Because news trading, the momentum will change very quickly. You see how quickly the momentum change. So don't fight your capital in the market. If this keep breaking out, just go out of the market. Okay. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. Yeah, this is risky. Okay. So you see, US yen, it just changed direction immediately. Very risky. Right. But it's okay. It's only at a loss of how much? 29. Okay. Risky. But honestly, this number has very good number. It's a good number. It's a good number. So now you see, US yen. Now the reason why I want to cut this off is because you see when this non-farm payroll news release, right? It actually came up around here and then it go up, right? And now it cannot sustain its strength, and then it goes down, 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 and then it got all the way down. So that is where I sense risk, right? And I just cut it off. But it's okay. If now, if I want to enter again, then I want to make sure it has momentum to carry above this level. And then I will take a stop loss of this low. Right. Looks like just now was a whitewash, but it's okay. No, sometimes you have to take risks like that. Trading the news is definitely another level, which we have to be very careful. So if US yen cannot break above 139.09, then it will just hover around here or just keep breaking down. Let us look at a wider perspective of US yen. See, US yen, it falls to a low, and now it goes up, and then it try to comes down, right? Establishing a higher low, and then now it started to go up. Then now it's retracing a bit down. So okay, we just wait it out. We want to see whether it's going above this level. If it's above this level, then I think it has a good chance. At least 37 pips, right? But US yen has a lot more potential, to go like 141, which is about 200 pips. So let's see. And New Zealand US, I already set a stop loss. If it stop out, I'll just let it to stop out. Yeah, no need to be emotional about all these things, you know. You stop out, just let it stop out. But by fundamental understanding, this number is good for US dollar, right? It's 140K. It's more than 30%. And there's a revised upwards, right? This is point 0.2, right? This is not really beautiful. But I don't think unemployment rate is going to affect so much of the overall picture. Let's just keep observing the numbers a bit. I mean the price level. For news trading, you know, sometimes no need to chase a trade. You cut loss, just cut it. Right. If I'm wrong, I'll just cut it. Yeah, no need to keep holding. Because it's already predetermined that this is a news trading. So if it's anything the direction is not correct quickly, have to be safe. Trading is this, better be safe than sorry. Don't fight the market. Don't fight the market. You have good days, you have bad days. Make sure the bad days, the cost is at lowest. Make sure that the good days, the wins is at highest. Then all this makes sense. Yeah, now the numbers is fighting. It's fighting, you see? It's fighting. It's losing some direction. It's not finding a direction. If the direction is there, this blow up number, you will just retrace a bit at this level and then you'll bounce up. But now you just keep, you know, going down, it cannot go down. And then it bounce up. So that's risky. No, in this case, just let the market just let it sustain, see what direction that you want to form. Don't because of the numbers, then go and buy. Look at the reason why we buy here is because just now it shoot up, the momentum is very strong. Yeah. So we want to try a small contract. Although we say we want to stick stop loss at 40 pips. But when we see that, the headwinds is there, immediately we cut. Yeah, because the market condition is not right to keep. So if it's not right to keep, then we look for another market condition that's right to keep. Then we do another trade. You just need to find peace for yourself, watch a movie. Don't go and say, oh, Avengers, I need to revenge the trade. Just have stop loss now. I need to really go all in. No. See, now it's starting to find some momentum going up. It's okay. I want you to go above this level to confirm my understanding. It may be boring for everybody, but we just have to chill and watch. See, now establishing a low is pushing up. See whether you will break above. What's the level I entered just now? Okay, 13920. Good. If I enter after it break through, I'm entering at a lower price. See, breakthrough already. Okay, very good break. Yeah, I'll enter. So in this case, I think the momentum is fighting back. Okay, then in this case, I will not just be too much bothered. In fact, let me see any other good trades. So this one, actually it's very good to take a stop loss at this level. Let's make it a more medium swing trade. Our stop loss at 13835, which is about 70 to 80 pips. Okay, very reasonable. Yeah, I'm on another account which I want to enter a standard contract. I think the momentum is there. Yeah, the momentum is there. So I'm going to enter more trade on this. And then if the momentum is there, gold is going to drop. Chances are gold is going to drop. And for gold, yeah, gold is at a resistance. So for gold, I'm going to take a stop loss of about 10 US dollar. Yeah, I think 15 US dollar is good. So gold, I actually can enter some more contract. Okay, so per trade is 0.03. I'm taking about 20 US dollar stop loss. So about 60 US dollar per trade. 60 US dollar, 0.03. Okay. All right. So let's adjust the stop loss. So in this case, 1993. Okay, for the US yen trade, we say we're going to increase the stop loss 138.34. Okay. Anyway, the TP is just an indication. I will just adjust accordingly. All right. 138.34, 140.5. Right, I think we are in a good direction. Okay. Yeah, you see the other account, I'm also need to adjust. 138.34, 140.50, 138.34, 140.5, 138. 1993, 1940, 1993, 0. Okay, yeah, all set, all set. Yeah, now I think we are in a good trade right now. Our trades are already in profit. Oh, this one still need to adjust. 138.34. Yeah, the market is starting to realize this is bad news. This is good news for US dollar. Let's sell some more New Zealand, US. I want to sell some more New Zealand, US. And then I'm going to put the stop loss. Same. 0.6114. 0.6. 0.61143. Okay, about there. Yeah. Okay, we are in very good hands now. Our previous trade of Euro US is already in profit. Euro pound also in profit. New Zealand US not yet, soon to be. right? I added another small trade. Will be in profit very soon. Our US trade, okay, in profit already. Our gold trade in profit, okay. Yeah. Now let us explain a bit why we are taking all the trades during non-farm payroll. We understand that the number is blowout numbers, not rocket science. It's so much more than there's really forecast. And there's a revised outwards of this number. It's not showing in Forex Factory, but it's shown in this daily FX calendar, right? Then actually we have bought US yen at this level, but we decided to take the stop loss manually because it actually reverses. It actually reverses, right? During the 5 minute chart here, and we don't want to keep it because we don't know whether you will just reverse the direction, go all the way down. So then after that, we witness the charts to go all the way up and break the previous high. When it break the previous high, right, we enter the trade. Yeah. Because this is renewed momentum going up. Okay, very strong momentum going up. So the market realized that there's a strong US dollar because of the numbers. So we are just acting in the direction of the market behavior, right? So the initial run, we took a momentum trade, but it doesn't work out, it go all the way down. So now we already set out a stop loss, right? Because if it want to break lower, this drive to make it break lower, it will definitely break lower, but it didn't. So now I think it's a very good renew outward strength. I want to be more exposed in New Zealand US because I think this is one of the weakest currency pair available now. Yeah, let's take another 0.6. 0.06. Let's renew the understanding of the stop loss. Look at a broader picture. Yeah, I want to take a broader perspective of New Zealand US. 0.617. I want to give it more rooms for it to breathe before it drops all the way down like a rock. And give more profits to this trade. I think this trade has rooms to go. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we are in good hands now. Likewise, for another account, I need to adjust 0.617, 0.659. All right. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah, it just takes some time to adjust the stop loss. Right. Okay. I think it's very clear, right, for everybody. The reason why we are taking the non-farm payroll trade is that after we observe the first, we have to understand all the prices is a fundamental determinant of what the economic indicators has given us. When the economic indicators is released, there's a reshuffling of the understanding of the prices. So we see that non-farm payroll prices, in this case, actually went up, right, to 339, which is beyond the 193 in the chart. You can see directly. It's very clear, right? So having know that in this understanding, right, our first immediate reaction based on the numbers is US dollar is going to go up, right? US dollar go up. I'm going to bring the mic nearer to me, right? Hello, hello. Right, US dollar is going to go up. So the initial trade that we made is US yen, which we bought, right? Then after that, immediately it just went down, right? Just went down. So, but it doesn't went all the way down. It went down, and then we quickly cut loss. And then we analyze the market again. It doesn't go all the way down. It actually go up and up. And we understand that if we break above this resistance, the chances are it's going to go up again. Because if this news is not going to help US dollar, then it's just going to go down, right? So it's either up or down. So it doesn't come down after it pulled up so much strength. It pull all the way out and it doesn't goes down. Then the next direction is to go up. So we bought. So when we choose which currency pair that we want to buy because of US dollar strength, we chosen US yen, which has been very strong, right? US yen. We chosen a New Zealand US on the downside, which we know that New Zealand, the central bank is stopping the interest rate hike. We also choose gold and we short gold also, right? So these are the few choices that we made. Okay, so now we are negative, just now we are positive. It's okay, just up and down. So we just keep observing, right? And all the trades are in place. We are taking manageable stop loss, and we are good in this arrangement as well. Okay, now thank you very much. Any other questions retaining to this arrangement while we are entering the trade? Any questions? Okay, if not, then I will speak in Mandarin. Right，谢谢大家来临到我们的这个实盘解析的 live。OK，因为今天是非农日哦，所以刚刚非农非常的精彩。为什么呢？因为它的数据是爆表的啦，突破了这个预期。 那它的实际报表的这个状况是339K，就是有33万9千个新就业 ，OK， 然后预期的是193，上个月的报表是253K，可是它已经回调。它就是因为每个月他们会重新统计，统计之后它会有数据再重新的报价出来，然后通过理解这个数据我们看一下金石这个数据其实是没有修改过的，真正的数据是这个调整过了。等一下我找给你。这里还没有显示。那有对，前值你看前值25.3，修正29.4，所以上个月已经修正调高于差不多4万多个就业人数4000多个就业人数增加了，然后这次这报表33.9万人 ，OK， 很明白我们可以了解说，因为这个数据非常的强而有劲，导致美元持续上升的可能性大，而且又增加了7月份美联储升息的这个可能性。所以刚刚我们了解到的是，这个美元日元它开始上升，后来下跌嘛，下跌，我们就进了一个仓位在这里平仓掉了，因为我们买入，因为它持续的突破这个前高5分钟的图表，然后我们在这里买入，可是它没办法持续的上升，后来跌下来了，跌到这里的时候 ，OK， 我们就平仓了。为什么平仓呢？因为跌到这里突破之前的前低，还有可能持续下跌，所以就不要跟它玩了嘛，就不要跟它玩了。谁知道一平仓之后它就回升，没有关系，回升后来我们就了解，回升的这个动量非常强大，持续的上升，突破之前的前高 ，OK， 然后又持续的上升。OK， 现在另一波的调整，让它调整没有关系，所以我们就后来选择了一些有利于美元强劲有可能持续性的一些货币对，就是就美日，我们买了美日 ，OK， 我们交易了美日我们也交易了新西兰元美元 ，OK， 也卖出了新西兰元美元，也卖出了黄金，因为这些货币对这2天美元的回调走弱，因为这则新闻有可能 OK 有一定的可能会回升，所以我们止损都全部拉好了，也在于有控制的这个空间，所以现在就看一看市场怎么带领我们，到底去盈利呢，还是去止损？那这个就是我们不能够控制的，我们能够控制的是我们情绪做到位，我们止损做到位，我们分析做到位，3到位 ，OK， 好不好？那这里已经很清楚了，所以这种交易方法很简单，你了解这个本质的这个底层逻辑，然后设了止损，设了获利点，然后每天你抽出时间4点以后8点以后，就是在英国市场开市以后，或者是美国市场开市以后，再回来看一看。OK，如果出现市场一个就是低前低或高前高的话，你就能做出判断，你要不要先止损，还是先获利 ？OK， 很简单，所以也不用花太多的时间，你都可以设置价位，让 MT4把它的那个讯息发到你的手机上，这些都是免费的，都是可以操作的。OK， 下次有机会我再带领大家跟大家沟通怎么做这样的一种实际操作。好。 那今天就说到这里啦，大家在持续的看盘，现在美元走强的可能性相对来说提升了，感恩感恩，谢谢大家，拜拜，还有周末愉快。